Hello everybody, this is Sabrina. Living close to Munich means Germany, and this is a recommendation video for VJ Impulse I. We already got a lot of working experience with VJ Impulse I. If I'm speaking we, means me and my partner. We have our IT consulting company, and we don't have much time to do the Joomla upgrades by ourselves. So we were looking for a long-term partnership, and I'm really glad we found VJ and the Impulse I team, because it's so easy to work with them. The communication over Skype, people per hour is so easy. You get response immediately, and you can discuss also small details. We're always polite, looking for your interests, and yeah, they have a really short delivering time that's really necessary. And yeah, I recommend them working with VJ and the Impulse I team.